What's up everybody, Thomas DCV. Today I'm representing Botgrinder. Why? I'm gonna tattoo and fly at the same time. And I had this idea in my head already for a long ass time. So when I decided to do it, and a couple weeks later I saw Botgrinder already did it as first on the world. So I'm gonna be the second on the world tattooing while flying, or flying while tattooing, whatever. So yeah, let's go. So I'm at the location at the Gusto. As you can see, most of the drawing is done. It's a very long ongoing project, so we'll see what it's bringing.
I've always seen things through different eyes. This kid got wise, refused to be stigmatized. If you only knew, you might get a big surprise by the amount of people still getting gigs from lies of various kinds. These are precarious times, so I gather my thoughts, starting to prepare them as rhymes, so I can stay aware of the signs to confront me. Cause if it ain't real, and I don't care, I have time to put it bluntly. I'm just getting across my POV, speaking from the heart and representing me only. That's the main thing I try to get through with speech. Get everything out in the open like a nudist speech. More than just what I'ma do this week. Whatever's true, clever, new, unique, and setting fools on the loose is true. I'm hoping you notice I need you to study this. That's my main aim, not a screen name or buddy list. But every now and then I get it wrong, though my head is strong. I'd rather we get along.
We're already done. You cannot see shit because we put foil on. It's called, I don't know, how do you actually call it?
Plastic foil.
Yeah, well, but what is the process called with healing with the plastic?
It doesn't have a word, a name.
We sweat the black out. That's basically it. You have to wrap it 24 hours and sweat it out and then dry healing completely. So, into the next session. Yo!
See what it comes down to is I'm just another junglist kid.